Italian sausage, spicy. A spicy rice made with Italian sausage. Almost like a biryani, but not biryani. But it has spiciness, it has sourness, it has color. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We are making this rice for 4 guests. We need a pot on a medium heat. Pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Red onions 1½ sliced. Garlic 4 cloves sliced. Green chili 2 sliced. Saute for 6 to 7 minutes and let the fragrance come out. Sliced green peppers half. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes and keep to the sides. The Italian spicy sausage, if you don't have, you can use any sausage you have or remove from the case, so the flavor will be so good. Small pieces on a high heat. Give a quick mix. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm using the sambar rice. You can use any rice you have. 3 times. Add the rice, no need to soak. Stir continuously. Salt 3 teaspoons. Chili powder 2 teaspoons. And combine well. Cook for 5 minutes. Add 4 cups of water. Give a quick mix. Cover. When the water and rice is on the same level, give a quick mix. Do like this. So the heat is locked. Cover it on a low heat. Cook for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat. Peas 1 cup. Peppers diced half. Diced tomato 1 each. Cover and rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the cover. Chop cilantro few on the top. Gently combine. You will get a nice, colorful, fluffy rice like this. So tempting, spicy rice. The spicy sausage rice. It's ready. Let's try it. Right after the done, when you're eating, it will be so good. We have green peas, so flavors. Wow. All the flavors are locked in that pot. So it's so good. There's a spiciness. Everything is there. Beautifully combined rice. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and show your support. See you with a new video. Bye.